Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Alright, I've got to get some stuff moved off of here. Here's a beautiful thing, 2031 high profile disk drive. But at the moment, it's going to go over and sit on top of this dual drive so I can get a little space working. Here is a magical thing. It's a sleeve from a 2031. No, doesn't even say. It's a 1541. I know it is. But this does not need to be on the desk. It was on the desk because I was hunting for a camera bag that wasn't here. No, but this is cool. Note, it's a single floppy disk from Kmart, which means it could be, things are happening. It could be the 2031, a 1541. There's the top of a 1541. I really want to get to this, but not yet. Okay, I'm going to try. I don't want to lose that. I will make an exceptional exception. What's in here? Oh yeah, look, it's an RF modulator for a Vic-20. It is, and that's a videotape from New Tech. Okay, and here is a data set, an old original white with a counter, and I don't know if it's ever been out of the box, but I guess I should check it out, but not today. So we can go over to the pile, Now here is the box from a Vic-20, and it's got all the packing stuff, and this thing needs to go back inside. It does. Alright, and this box too can slide off onto the bottom bunk of the bunk bed. Okay. Ooh, that's heavy. What's in here? I know it's a 6. Oh. Okay. There's some manuals, TV switches, and also a very beautiful Commodore cover. Very beautiful. Oh, what else is here? Oh, Vic. No, okay, that stuff gotta stay there. Okay. So, this too can slide off onto the bunk bed. Now here, is a manual. That's a manual for a Vic-20. I have lots of them. So you know what? I think what I might be doing... I never did put this disc away. What I might be doing... And you know what? I'm not gonna... Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get the black thing. Hang on. I'm gonna get the black thing. Oh. I'm gonna get the phone that's charging. And I'm gonna put the black thing down. And I'm gonna put the manual in the top. It's funny, I got this charging, but the more I charge it, the more it seems to go down. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay. good. That shoe can go in the box of things that are going to go away. So I'll set that here, and I'll set that there, and I'll plug into the charger. I'll watch it light up, and it's charging, and now I can do something miraculous. Woo. There we are. We're back down here. Okay. Now here, oh yes, it's a book. It's actually in pretty fine shape. And there's some other things to go with some cartridges. The boxes are not here. Oh yeah, and then there's this mysterious important notice. This is things the Commodore, I guess after they screwed up, they sent out a correction thing. For example, yeah, like number 3 on this. A semicolon should be added to the end of line 10 on page 8. Note that line 10 appears twice on page 8. Interesting. I wonder if this refers to this. Let's have a look. Your first program, page 8. Semicolon should be added to the end of line 10. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and it does appear twice. So what it is, the line that they're talking about is 10, print, quote, Vic-20, quote, and then they have line 20 that goes to 10, and the semicolon should be put in there. And that would, of course, mean that Vic-20, Vic-20, Vic-20 will run across the screen. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, maybe, so I don't lose this, I'll stick it in the back of the book. Perhaps I will. You know what, while I'm on a roll here, and even just for historical purposes, I should get this thing back. Oh, I should. Ugh. And I should shoot some pictures. Of the manuals. What did I do with that other thing? Because I guess I'll put these in a box. I'll put them in a box. Oh, look, here's the instructions for mole attack. I wonder if there's anything good in here. Boring. The graphics on these are always much better than the reality. Here is Raid on Fort Knox. Oh, in case I didn't show you. Mole attack. Raid on Fort Knox. Da, da, da. I think that's, excuse me, Radar Rat Race. Is it? Radar Rat Race. Yep. Yep. Ugh. This is something I really do want to get more into. but I am not musical. So, chances are I won't. Never seen it before. There's the manual, which is about as extensive as the original manual that came with the pet. And here's the cartridge. I want to lean that light a little further back. I like having light. It does help. But when you get things that are looking too shiny, you know. So we'll put this carefully together. And then, maybe I should do a slideshow. Maybe I should. All kinds of things. This is personal finance. You know what I'm doing here? I can see already. I'm setting myself up for an avalanche disaster because this thing is off the side of the table. It is. Oh, why is it doing weird things on me here? Just take the picture. This is Molotac. This is Hessware. Story machine. Oh. Here is Raid on Fort Knox. Here is Radar Rat Race. Oh, Speed Math Finger, which actually, it would be quite handy even today. For the right age group. And here, something quite lovely. Hess Writer. In very complete packaging. All right. And Vic-20. I suspect it could be quite rare. And actually the packaging and the cartridges are in remarkable shape. Yeah, this is not, you know, considering I just got lights for photography, I could do a whole lot better. I could, oh yeah, here's this one. I tried this one. Just a second here. It was called Pipes, and I didn't do well. I did not. Vic-20. Hess right here. Anyway, I did not do well at that game. I did not. Oh, wait a second. Wait just a second here. What is this? It's a little book. And I think even though there's nothing really goes with it. It's just a book that says, hey, you can get more stuff from us. I think because it goes with this company, I think I will put it in more documentation. More documentation. Oh yeah. More documentation. Alright. We're getting there. But we're not there. We're not there. We've got lots more to do on this disk. It is endless. And here I am in the middle of the night. What time is it? I think I woke up around 3 something. Oh, it's now 5:35. It is. Well, I am making a little progress. And anybody who makes even a little progress needs to be rewarded. Well, not rewarded, but encouraged. So there, a little progress. I think, at this moment, I will move some stuff. There's something. It's a vintage Blue Jay hat. I've never really liked that logo. And I don't know that it, especially with my hair long, I don't know that, oh look, even has a little baseball there. And there's the funky sticker. I should get one of those dusty things and dust. Anyway, alright, enough. I will continue to dig down in the pile, down in the pile. One thing I need to do, I have been putting some things out in the sun and that are yellowed, and it is helping. Even a horribly, 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 horribly yellowed 1802 monitor. It's going to take a while, and I have to be very careful to make sure that it doesn't get rained on. But it hasn't got rained on. It's raining now, or it was raining, but I bring stuff in, and if there's any chance of rain, I just don't put it out. I have another monitor like that, and I think also around here, as I gaze fondly around the Vic-20s, there are some other, oh, look, here's a great candidate. Look at that. That's the top. That's the bottom. Look at that. That's yellow. This one should be out in the sun. But it isn't yet. But it will be. Anyway, you can use chemicals. It's a lot faster. But if you're very careful, make sure nothing gets rained on. The sun will sort things out. Alright, I'm going to move some stuff here. And maybe get something to eat. Maybe get something to drink. Maybe. And then carry on. So thanks for coming. What is this over here? I see. Hang on. Oh, it's a box. Oh, it's funny. It says it's for a 16K RAM expander. But that's not what was in it. It's the programmer's aid cartridge. Anyway, that can stay there for the moment. It can. It can. Ooh. Alright, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Back here in the TV room where the cleanup is happening. It's happening. Don't laugh. Again. Bye for now.